guys? Welcome back to TunerThings. So this is episode number, I can't fucking, honestly I can't make it 3. This is episode number 3. I'm back on my normal camera, my 70D. This is where I feel more at home. And I don't know what I've got in store for you today, but it's gonna be something fucking dope. So behind me, we have the Crusty and Rusty 99EX. I have a ton of parts that I've ordered. If you haven't seen the last 2 episodes, I'm going turbo, and I'm also gonna rebuild it with some internals. But I've got a shit ton of other parts that have to go on as well. The car came in terrible condition, and I'm just trying to get it back to something decent so I can hit the track very soon. So, without further ado, I'm gonna pop the hood and get some shit done. If you would, please smash that motherfucking subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoy the content. Let's go! Alright. Yup, Crusty and Rusty's her middle name, but we're getting there. So far I've done my cruise control delete and also the AC delete. I haven't finished it up. I'll finish all this crap when I remove the engine and rebuild. Hell yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna get cracking on. Probably the fender here. I need to get this fender. It's all fucked up. As you can see, it's way away from the light here. Rusty, nasty, not doing the right thing in life. So I'm gonna get this pulled off, get the new one put on. Let's get to it. Talk about a pain in the ass. I didn't know there were those 2 bottom bolts down there. Anyway, fender's off. Chilling over there. Alright, so I'm gonna get the other one put on and then I'll start on the other side probably. Alright. Let's go on out here and take a look at this. Yes. Boom. Fender on. Gotta get the side skirt finished up and get the trim piece off. But hell yeah, a little bit of blood there. It's all good. Look at that fitment. That's pretty nice. Pretty decent. This is where I was most concerned about it. Hugging the light. That's much better than before. All bolt holes didn't line up though. As you can see here, that did not line up. That's okay. Things happen. Yeah, it's a 9mm there. On this side, got it pretty close to lining up. It's alright. It'll do. A lot better. These bolt holes all lined up. Different brand. No blood this time. But yeah, pretty good fitment. Yeah, so man, that I got fucked up by my passenger side fender. Yeah, that thing bit me. Anyway, probably got the tetanus now. Tetanus. I need a tetanus shot now. Anyway, yeah, it's much better. I don't think I'm gonna get much more done because I gotta go cook dinner for the family. Anyway, nice quick episode. Just wanted to check in with you guys. If you like this episode, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys are working on. Take it easy. I will see you in a couple days. All right, peace out, guys.